Most tutoring sessions reset every week. Notes disappear, tutors re-explain what was already covered, and parents receive updates that feel disconnected. Tutoring works, the tools don't. Meet Hootnotes, the collaborative workspace built specifically for tutoring businesses. Notes, worksheets, slides, diagrams, and feedback all live in one simple space. No switching tools, no scattered files. In many tutoring companies, lessons are spread across PDFs, inboxes, or paper. When the session ends, momentum disappears. The next week starts with searching and revisiting instead of progressing. With Hootnotes, every student has their own persistent playground. Worksheets, worked examples, and notes stay organized in one place. When the next session begins, tutors pick up exactly where they left off. That means less time preparing and re-explaining, and more time on student growth. Work through problems live together. Add visual feedback directly onto worksheets. Share the entire lesson instantly with parents or your tutoring team so everyone stays aligned. Students stay engaged, parents stay informed, tutors stay efficient. For tutoring businesses, that means consistent delivery, reduced admin, and a digital system that scales as you grow. Stop resetting, start building. Hootnotes, the ridiculously easy workspace for modern tutoring businesses. Sign up for free at hootnotes.io. Hootnotes, notes that go further.